Quick guide: find your Sony TV or monitor model name and serial number. Model name for TV usually starts with KD or K. For display monitor, it usually starts with KM or Y. You can find the model name and 7-digit serial number through the following methods. Method 1. Original packaging. The model name and 7-digit serial number can be found on the sticker located at the box. Method 2. On the rear or side of your unit. Depending on your TV model, the model name and 7-digit serial number can be found on the sticker located at the back of the TV or on a label near the side input terminals. Method 3. From the Help menu. Help menu can be accessed mainly through two methods. Check the type of remote control you have and follow these steps accordingly. Type A remote has a help button that allows you to access help menu directly. Type B remote control does not include a help button. For Type A remote, you just have to press the help button. On the help section, go to Status and Diagnostics. Select System Information. Model name and 7-digit serial number will be shown. For Type B remote, press the Home button. Scroll to the right and select See All. Then choose Help. Go to Status and Diagnostics. Select System Information. Model name and 7-digit serial number will be shown. If you require further assistance, please visit our Sony support website. To receive firmware update notification and access to your product information easily, check out our Support by Sony app. Thank you for watching.